Hey guys, this is Malik from Sell It with Malik. Today I'm going to show you a side house that is currently for lease. The way you enter the side house is from the main gate. As you enter, you go to the left and you have a private entrance to the side house. The private entrance includes a private sitting area. You could even plant your own vegetable garden if necessary, as the last people have done. And they even included an outdoor carpeting and a sitting area. You have your own mailbox and your own everything. As you enter the house, currently all the lights are turned off. I want you guys to see how much light there is with no lights on currently. They have two windows, actually a third window / door that leads to the backyard, and a very nice living room ceiling. Okay, very high ceilings. Currently, I'm gonna turn on the lights. There's lots of ceiling lights. The lights for the kitchen are as so. Beautiful, custom-made cabinetry. Look at the countertops. How gorgeous are these? You don't see this in any other new house. Everything looks the same. There's a story behind how this table was made. The person who was actually installing this countertop broke it or cracked it, so as a token of good faith, he made this table for us. How nice is that? Well, continuing on, as you enter, to the left side is the guest bathroom. The guest bathroom is this beautifully made, custom designed. Look at these fixtures. Look at the molding. Look at everything that this bathroom has to offer and how big it is. Included in the bathroom in the back is your washer and dryer. In front of the washer and dryer, you also have a storage area, which is great because you could keep your dirty clothes there or anything else. You could even close this door to separate both of them. The floor is made out of tile that's different from the main tile, as you see. And when I turn on the lights for the living room, all the 9 lights that come on are beautifully lit. You can see how beautiful this living room is. It includes a 5-speaker surround sound and a subwoofer, which is currently in service. All the cables come out from the same location, so you don't have to worry about making holes in the walls. It's already created for you. This switch right here turns on the light, but when you're coming home, you could turn on the light or turn off the light from the same switch, but on right next to the door. This is the outdoor switch, and this is the light for the hallway leading up to second floor. We like to be very conservative with energy, so during this video, I'm gonna turn off some of the lights, but at the same time, I'm gonna have some of the lights turned on so you can see the difference of the amount of natural light coming in. The floors are made of real wood. The people who created this house thought of everything. They thought of closet space, they thought of mirrors to make the rooms look big. They thought of vaulted ceilings. Look at that. I think the ceilings are 12 feet. This room is currently without any light, okay? The lights are turned off. Everything looks great. There's a balcony, double pane windows. Beautiful view. You could hear the birds chirping. They know that I'm filming something, so they stop chirping. And you have beautiful views. Comes with the seating arrangements right here. As we go back in, the double pane windows really stop all the noise from outside if you don't like the birds chirping. There is a beautiful floor, two, maybe about 6 foot high closet doors that are double as mirrors. There's some storage space up there as well. And also, there's a beautiful custom-made bathroom here. I'm gonna turn on the lights and you'll see how beautiful this thing is. All glass. Everything is made out of glass. The shower doors are sliding. You have a ceiling mounted shower head, or rain shower, some people call it. I'm gonna turn on the lights now so you can see the difference. It's very big, very spacious, and you see the ground is real hardwood floors. I'm going to the next room, which is the second master bedroom. Again, the lights are turned off, so you can see the difference. This window is currently open. I'm gonna close the window. Someone's using their equipment, but I'm gonna close the window so you get to feel the difference in the silence. Again, the homeowners have made the closet space look amazing because it's doubling as a mirror. And inside of the closet, they've put lights. You pull the light switch on and there you go. You have shelving. If you want to fold your clothing and put it on the shelving. And also you have area, a very wide, maybe about 10 feet long area to hang clothing. You could fit a beautiful in the master bedroom, you could fit a beautiful king size bed. I'm gonna turn on the lights so you could see the difference. Very, very high vaulted ceilings. Lots of privacy, no sound. There you have no neighbors. And also you have your own private bathroom as well. The private bathroom comes with a stand-up shower, a shaving mirror that doubles as a magnifier mirror, beautiful custom faucets, and a very, very nicely done bathroom tiles. This house could be rented right now. We're looking for a maximum of 2 people. We are renting this space currently for the flashing number on the screen. The number will change based on the amount of months or days this stays on the market. I hope you guys like this tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me or text me. My phone number is 818-281-1703. My name is Melik. This is Sell It with Melik. And hopefully you like my video. Share it, like it. It really helps my channel. And if you have anybody interested in staying here, please contact them. Tell them about this place. This is located in North Hollywood, California, on a Mary Ellen Street, which is a cul-de-sac street, meaning, as other words, dead end, or it's a roundabout, so it's not a two-way street, it's a one-way street. You come in and you get out. My name is Melik. This is what the front yard looks like as you exit out. What the front light looks like. You could come out here, sit on your front, let's say, love seat or chair or sofa or a few other chairs. Have some dinner out here with some friends. You have your own private entrance. You could water the lawn with a hose that's on the side of the house. Multiple different plants, which is great for fresh air, of course. You have the watering hose right there. Some more storage on the side of the house if you want to put a barbecue here. It's a wonderful house, well built, custom made, and it's currently ready to be rented. Thank you for watching.